What's up guys, in this video today I am going to show you the top 5 best car struts. There are a lot of parts and components that go into making a car that functions perfectly. While some parts offer power to the wheels, others may offer structure integrity to your car. There are a lot of products available to choose to car struts, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car struts product from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. MOSTPLUS Front Complete Strut. If you are on a budget and want something affordable, then checking out the MOSTPLUS struts can be a viable option, since they work great with various cars and offer a complete set. These MOSTPLUS struts come at the third position of this list, as it is the cheapest set of struts that we have mentioned in this article. Since it is a set of struts, you get a total of 2 struts in the box that are made for the front wheel of your car. Because the Chevrolet Cobalt is a highly popular car, these struts are made for it as well. Although, these will not work with any other car model out there. Being a budget option, the warranty is a bit lower at 3 years long, which is to be expected. Product features. Includes 2 struts in the box. Made for Chevrolet Cobalt. Comes with a 3-year warranty. Positive side of this product. Cheap struts offerings. Decent warranty period. Offers a complete set of struts. Negative side of this product. Do not work with any other car model. Number 2. Monroe Shock Struts. Monroe is quite different from most other struts brands out there, as not only it offers cheaper offerings, but also more practical ones with smaller packs of spare parts. The Monroe 172,179L struts come at the first position of this list, as these can be handy if only a single strut of your car's front is broken down. This is due to the reason that it only comes with a single strut in the box, making it the cheapest option that we have discussed here. As for compatibility, this strut is designed primarily for the Chevrolet Cobalt, while having the support with a few other cars as well. Unlike most other budget struts brands in the market, Monroe offers a lifetime warranty, making it a highly reliable option for many. Product features. Includes 1 strut in the box. Made for Chevrolet Cobalt. Comes with a lifetime warranty. Positive side of this product. Affordable struts for car repair. Excellent reliability and durability. Ideal for various Chevrolet cars. Negative side of this product. Only ideal for single-wheel repairs. Number 3. AUTOSAVER88 Front Strut. When compared with other options in the market as well as in this listicle, Autosaver is a much newer brand of car spares that still manages to offer some of the most handy products. Autosaver struts are also made for a highly popular car model, which usually requires strut repairs and replacements. In other words, these struts are made for the Chevrolet Cobalt, while being compatible with a few other Pontiac cars as well. To make sure that you can repair both the front wheels of your car, Autosaver offers a complete kit that includes 2 struts. Since Autosave is a new brand, the included 1-year warranty is to be expected. Product features. Includes 2 struts in the box. Made for Chevrolet Cobalt. Comes with a 1-year warranty. Positive side of this product. Compatible with popular car models. Decent price tag. Offers a complete set with all the parts. Negative side of this product. Only a 1-year warranty. Number 4. Complete Strut Shock. Well, you might not have heard about Scitoo in the past. Its struts offerings are quite different from most other ones out there in terms of installation and included parts. These Scitoo struts are the only option in this article that comes as a complete set for both the front as well as the rear wheels. In other words, you will find a total of 4 struts in the box, so that you can repair all the wheels if needed. Another great thing about these struts is that they are compatible with both the Mazda 3 and the Mazda 5, making them highly versatile. Even though you get a great build quality from these struts, the included 1-year warranty is much shorter than others. Product features. Includes 4 struts in the box. Made for Mazda 3 and Mazda 5. Positive side of this product. Features a complete set for both front and rear wheels. Great build quality. Negative side of this product. Could have included a longer warranty period. Number 5. Scitoo Complete Struts. Scitoo is another entry-level brand of struts out there that offers a wide range of struts for various cars, including some of the popular options like the ones stated down below. The Scitoo struts can be another viable option for those of you who are on a budget and want something affordable. Unlike what you would expect from a budget option, these struts come in a pack of 2, allowing you to easily repair both your front wheels if needed. Since the Chevrolet Cobalt is a highly popular car model that generally needs repairs, these struts are also designed for the same. Although being a budget offering, you only get a 1-year warranty with these. Product features. Includes 2 struts in the box. Made for Chevrolet Cobalt. Comes with a 1-year warranty. Positive side of this product. Offers complete set with all required parts. Affordable pick for budget buyers. Decent build quality. Negative side of this product: limited warranty period. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please daily so to subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem, please comment below.